Hello there. Today is my birthday and I just received a package from someone. Now, this is a testing channel. Why am I talking about packages? Why am I not talking about testing? Well, I'll come to that. So first, I want you to guess who this package is from. And you can see the destination says Aaroh. So who sent me a package that I can fold? And why am I talking about it on a testing channel? Well, if you have watched my previous videos, they were all about Playwright. And I recently had a chance to speak to the Playwright team. I mean, I wouldn't say in person, it was on, what is it called? You know, where they do the monthly gathering and social where people can ask them questions. In NFT world, we used to call it Ask Me Anything. But I think that they have got a really interesting name for it. Something like Learn Hub or something. But I'll add the name in the description once I remember that. So over there, they posted a game. The game was really interesting. I played that game, and the idea was you have to play the game using Playwright. So it was like multiple boxes, and you have to click the box that is a different color box. And the person who would basically click the most boxes would win. So there were two people. One was me, and there was another guy who solved this problem. And we both got some swags from them. And this is a swag that I got from Playwright team. But again, the timings couldn't have been more perfect because today is my birthday. So thank you so much, Playwright team. I'm going to just open it in front of you. I didn't want to open it beforehand, so I haven't. As you can see, it's still sealed up. So I'm going to open it now. I'm going to put it on the desk and open it quickly. There you go. So I've just opened it, and let's see what's inside. And you can see it's a beanie hat with the Playwright logo. Really nice beanie hat. Thank you so much. I really love it. And it says Microsoft Playwright swag. You can see on over here. Nice one. Thank you again. So I will be wearing this in my future videos with the Playwright logo, and I will continue making more videos about Playwright and how you can do better testing, because I think Playwright is an awesome framework. Not just because they have given me the beanie hat. I'm like, without being biased about it, I think this is a good framework that is well balanced for dev engineers and people who are used to working with the test side of the code. It's easy to understand, it's easy to implement, and I would definitely recommend anyone using like any kind of language. It supports so many languages. It supports Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, God knows what more. But these are like, the support is like really good. It's very stable. The auto waiting feature, I think it's designed with a really good logic. Plus, if you have seen my last video about locators or find elements, in that video I was talking about how they have made a decision about accessibility. So using the type of locator could actually improve accessibility of your website. So I'm really loving the design decisions, and I'm not just talking from like 1 year or 2 year experience. I've got 19 years of experience behind me. So do enjoy using Playwright. If you're watching this channel, do make sure you subscribe to this, because I would love you to continue your journey with me. Thank you.